Active learning is an educational approach that engages students in the learning process, encouraging them to take an active role in their education rather than passively receiving information from an instructor. This method is grounded in the belief that students learn more effectively when they are actively involved in their learning experiences. The principles of active learning are based on various educational theories and research findings that highlight the importance of student engagement, collaboration, and critical thinking in the learning process. At its core, active learning emphasizes the importance of student participation. This participation can take many forms, including discussions, group work, problem-solving activities, and hands-on projects. The underlying idea is that when students are actively engaged in their learning, they are more likely to retain information, develop a deeper understanding of the material, and apply what they have learned in real-world situations. This contrasts with traditional lecture-based teaching methods, where students often passively listen to an instructor and may struggle to connect the material to their own experiences. One of the key principles of active learning is that it promotes collaboration among students. Collaborative learning allows students to work together to solve problems, discuss concepts, and share their perspectives. This not only enhances their understanding of the material but also helps them develop important social and communication skills. When students collaborate, they are exposed to diverse viewpoints and approaches, which can lead to a richer understanding of the subject matter. Additionally, working in groups can foster a sense of community and belonging, which can be particularly beneficial for students who may feel isolated in a traditional classroom setting. Another important aspect of active learning is the emphasis on critical thinking. Active learning encourages students to analyze information, evaluate different perspectives, and synthesize knowledge from various sources. This process helps students develop higher-order thinking skills, which are essential for success in both academic and professional environments. By engaging in activities that require them to think critically, students learn to approach problems systematically, consider multiple solutions, and make informed decisions. Active learning also recognizes the importance of metacognition, or the awareness and regulation of one's own learning processes. Students who engage in active learning are often encouraged to reflect on their understanding and learning strategies. This reflection can take the form of self-assessment, peer feedback, or guided discussions with instructors. By fostering metacognitive skills, active learning helps students become more self-directed learners who are capable of identifying their strengths and weaknesses, setting goals, and adjusting their learning strategies accordingly. Incorporating technology into active learning can further enhance the educational experience. Digital tools and resources can facilitate collaboration, provide access to a wealth of information, and allow for innovative forms of assessment. For example, online discussion boards, collaborative platforms, and interactive simulations can create opportunities for students to engage with the material in new and dynamic ways. Additionally, technology can help instructors track student progress and provide personalized feedback, which can be particularly beneficial in a diverse classroom setting. Active learning is also closely linked to the concept of experiential learning, which emphasizes the importance of hands-on experiences in the learning process. Experiential learning involves engaging students in real-world activities that allow them to apply their knowledge and skills in practical situations. This approach can take many forms, such as internships, service learning, field trips, and project-based learning. By participating in experiential learning opportunities, students can bridge the gap between theory and practice, gaining valuable insights and skills that are essential for their future careers. Assessment in an active learning environment also differs from traditional methods. Instead of relying solely on standardized tests and exams, active learning assessments often include a variety of formats, such as presentations, group projects, portfolios, and self-reflections. These alternative assessments provide a more comprehensive view of student learning and allow for the evaluation of skills that may not be captured by traditional testing methods. Furthermore, formative assessments, which provide ongoing feedback throughout the learning process, can help students identify areas for improvement and encourage a growth mindset. The implementation of active learning strategies can also present challenges for educators. Instructors may need to adjust their teaching styles and classroom management techniques to create an environment conducive to active learning. This may involve developing new lesson plans, incorporating technology, and providing training on collaborative techniques. Additionally, instructors may need to be flexible and responsive to the needs of their students, adapting their approaches based on the dynamics of the classroom. Despite these challenges, the benefits of active learning are well documented. Research has shown that active learning can lead to improved academic performance, increased student motivation, and enhanced retention of information. Studies have found that students who engage in active learning activities are more likely to achieve higher grades, develop a deeper understanding of the material, and demonstrate greater critical thinking skills. Furthermore, active learning can promote a positive classroom environment, fostering a sense of belonging and community among students. In conclusion, active learning principles are grounded in the belief that students learn best when they are actively engaged in their education. By promoting collaboration, critical thinking, and metacognition, active learning encourages students to take ownership of their learning experiences. The integration of technology and experiential learning further enhances the effectiveness of this approach, providing students with opportunities to apply their knowledge in real-world contexts. While there may be challenges in implementing active learning strategies, the benefits for students are significant, leading to improved academic outcomes and the development of essential skills for success in the 21st century. As educators continue to explore and adopt active learning practices, the potential for transformative change in the classroom is immense, paving the way for a more engaging and effective educational experience for all students.